Hello all, Namaste and welcome back again in my YouTube channel. It's me Sushi Man Santosh. Today I'm gonna show you how to make beautiful sashimi plate, okay, with cucumber decorations. I have here sake, it is salmon, and I have here maguro, tuna, and I have also hamachi, hiramasa. I will try to show you guys how to cut sashimi as well. It's sashimi cutting ideas as well. Okay, let's go. Firstly, I'll cut the maguro, tuna sashimi, and for sashimi cutting we have to use very sharp knife. Therefore, the size of the sashimi will be equal and the great clean cut, and so the taste of fish won't change. Also, it looks beautiful. Okay, now time to cut salmon sashimi. Firstly, I'll cut sashimi portions, and rest part we can use for the gunkan sushi or nigiri sushi. Sashimi means consisting of the fresh raw fish or meat sliced into thin pieces and traditionally served with soy sauces and wasabi paste with also gari. Gari means the ginger. It's time to make beautiful sashimi plate with help of the cucumber garnish. Here is the cucumber fan for sushi and sashimi decorations. I already made video about the easy cucumber garnish for sushi and sashimi decorations. You can check link on my description box. I already laid daikon on the plate to secure the cucumber fan. Okay, let's put the salmon sashimi firstly. It is the slice of bluefin tuna, akami part. And it's hamachi. Now you can put some cucumber garnish to make more beautiful sashimi plate. I have here carrot butterfly and carrot stars as well. So I'll lay down it on top of the sashimi. Okay, let's see. Now I'm gonna put curry, it's a marinate ginger, and I'll try to make wasabi leaf to decorate the sashimi plate. And finally, my beautiful sashimi plate is ready. You can see the final result. Here I am using different cucumber garnish, carrot butterfly and carrot stars as well for sashimi decorations. Also, I use lemon, ginger and wasabi. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope after watching this video, you will get knowledge about sashimi decorations. If you want to learn more about sushi, don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Have a nice day.